Good morning, students. Last class we saw function, types of function. Now we are going to see composition of function. What is composition of function? Already you know what is function, right? If you are putting some input under some processing, under some function we are using, we will get output. In the same manner, we are going to see composition of function also. So first we will see two functions, composition of two functions. So now I am going to take here three set. One is A set, B set and C set. A set, B set and C set. F is mapping A to B. F is mapping A to B and G is mapping B to C. I am going to take two functions. I am going to use here two functions. Okay. So now here I am going to take a only single element X under F function. What function I used? So my input is X. Under F function I will get output. What function? F function. What input? X. Again I am going to do one more functions. I am going to apply here G function. This is my input. Now I am going to consider this one as a input. So what function I used here? G function. What is my input here? F of X. So like this it will goes on. So this is a chain reaction. Composition of function is like a chain reaction. So now I am going to map F mapping A to C. So I got what answer? F of G of F of X I got, right? So it is denoted as a G of F of X. So first what function I used, what input I used, I wrote second. Function first and input second. Okay. Now we will see one example. So first find F of G and G of F when F of X equal to 2x plus 1 and G of X equal to x square minus 2. Okay, first one we are going to find F of G. Okay, here what function? First they given F right outside and what is the input they used here? G of X right inside. Okay, now F right as such, what input what is the value for G of X? X square minus 2. Now see here F of X equal to 2x plus 1, right? X is there, here also X. Here instead of X what value they given here? X square minus 2, right? Here we are going to apply 2 into, instead of X we are going to apply X square minus 2. So plus what they given? 1 right as such. So instead of X they given X square minus 2, we are also applying instead of X square minus 2. Now you just multiply it. So 2 into x square, 2x square minus, because plus into minus minus, 2 2s are 4 plus 1. Now 2x square as such, here see the different sign, subtract it and put the greater number sign. So minus 3, this is the first equation. Now we are going to see completed f of g of x, right? Now g of f of x we are going to find. This one is the first equation completed. Second one, now what is the function? G function. What is the input here? Second one is input. Okay. So G of f of x. Okay. Now G as it is you write. What is f of x value? Here they given 2x plus 1. Right as it is 2x plus 1. Okay. Now again you just substitute in G. What is the G value here they given? G of x equal to x square minus 2. Instead of this x we are going to apply what? 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 the whole square minus 2 they given, right? Okay. Now it is in the form of algebraic expression a plus b the whole square. So what is the formula for that? A square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So now here what is a? 2x square plus 2 into a value 2x plus b value 1 plus what is the b square? 1 square. They given here extra minus 2 right as such. So now 2 2s are 4, x into x square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 into x 4x plus 1 1s are 1 minus 2. Now 4x square right as such plus 4x right as such because it has only one term, right? Here you just see constant term, 2 terms is there, right? So different sign, subtract it and put the bigger number sign. So minus 1, this is the second equation. Now see, first equation and second equation, check it, both are same? No. First one is this and second one is this. So both are different. Generally f of g is not equal to g of f for any two functions. For any for any two functions. So the composition of function is not a commutative. Commutative means, you know very well, in last year you learned a plus b is equal to b plus a, like that, right? So f of here it is not suitable for this condition. F of g is not equal to g of f. For any two condition we are taking, it is not equal, right? So three functions we will see in next video. Thank you.